welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanice. Today is going to be a hair wig video, installing, showing y'all exactly what is going on with these new pre-everything wigs. So of course, you know, I don't have a wig on. It's just me and my ball cap. This is like my best friend because she never goes anywhere without me. So we're just gonna get right into this video. I am gonna leave everything down below, and before I do get started, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Also at the end of this video, if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and also comment and tell me what y'all want to see next. This is the wig I will be doing today. This is BeautyForever. We're gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna do an unboxing first. This is how it came. It does come within about 3 to 5 days for anybody who is asking a background. It does come about 3 to 5 days. It does come very fast. This is me unboxing it. It's in a satin bag, and this is just one of those regular boxes. So my box is somewhat open. I haven't opened this already, but this is what it looks like. Pre-everything wigs, it does come pre-plucked, pre-styled. It also has the wig tapes on it, so you don't have to do anything. It's basically already done. The knots are supposed to be bleached. It's basically one of the ready to go wear frontal. You know, a lot of people have been seeing the closure, but this is a frontal. So we're gonna check it out, see what it looks like, and I'm gonna give my honest opinion. I have been wearing a lot lately, I'm not gonna lie, and they're very convenient. There's so many pros about the wig itself, so it's very convenient. But I never actually tried one from BeautyForever, so we're gonna just check it out and see what it is. So inside of my box, of course, you know, they be giving the girls all the goodies. So BeautyForever elastic band. They also have wig caps, give you extra wig tapes. And this is a 13x4 transparent lace. It is a kinky curly wig as well. And again, it is a pre-everything, so it does have the wig tape. Gives you extra wig tapes in the bag. This is the elastic band. So this is the wig. I'm just gonna take the net, the paper, everything off so y'all can really get a good look inside of it. It is a 13x4. These are the wig tapes on each side of where the ear tabs are. Pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-styled, and pre-plucked hairline. You can see it blends really well with my skin. For this to be it's not HD. For this to be transparent, you can see it blends so well with my complexion. It doesn't look ashy, and you can see the hairline is definitely pre-plucked. A comb. You also have an extra silicone band, so it will not move. And you also have the elastic straps to tighten your wig. I'm just gonna put it on just to see if it fits my head, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are scared to see if it actually fits. And yep, it fits. Definitely fits. So we're gonna turn into that girl, and we're not gonna leave it like this. So just keep watching, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like actually installed.
Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old hope it's fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yeah, no, maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York to shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no, maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Alright, so how are y'all feeling this? Definitely giving Puerto Rican princess. So I wasn't gonna actually add like the natural baby hairs, but I feel like it really makes it look more natural. So curly hair, I love a good flip over. I love like for stuff to look natural. So this is what it's looking like, y'all. It is giving complete scalp. It's giving so much scalp. I love the texture. It's definitely, I feel like for me it looks more natural in this texture. So definitely did the soft baby hairs. This wig is so secure. I know y'all seen me do all of that shaking. It's so secure. I actually really like this length, like, you know, because come on now, I don't got no 30-inch, you know, curly hair down my back. You know, I could pull this off. People are like, oh, what, you just got a twist out? So it's definitely giving natural twist out. It's giving the like the luster and everything. It gives really natural. It's not like shiny. I love a good kinky look. I love a good kinky look. So this is what it looks like. Y'all know I live for at least a little side part, at least a little flip over. Like I don't really do middle parts that much, but it could probably still do a middle part. This is what it will look like. I'm gonna try to demonstrate a middle part really quick, just so y'all can see it. But I'm not a middle part girly, not like that, not like I want to be. But this is what it will look like. Like y'all, this wig is definitely giving real natural. It's so easy to install. I didn't have no trouble installing it. The tape did not like mess up. So it's just really easy. It's just a really easy wig for a lot of people who want to try to escape from the glue. This is definitely it. I definitely co-sign on this texture. Co-sign on this texture and everything. It's really nice. It's definitely giving scalp. I like it. So yeah, so I'm not gonna do too much because I like big hair. So I don't want to put like product in it because I'm gonna just flip it back over. But this is kind of what it's looking like in the middle part. It's definitely giving still that girl, definitely island. Y'all gotta get y'all vacation hair ready. This is what it looks like. I can still put the hair behind my ear with no problem. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere. This is what both sides are looking like. Both sides are looking like. So all around it definitely looks really good. I'm gonna just put a little mousse at the top to kind of flatten it down. Instead of putting all that hairspray, y'all, just invest in some mousse and slick your hair down with mousse. So really easy to install, really simple, really easy. Definitely pre everything. I didn't have to do anything. I like to put mousse to lay stuff down instead of hairspray. So if you don't have mousse, just get you some mousse and comb the mousse out, because it's not going to be like really hard. Comb it out, it's going to get fluffy. So definitely remember that key, mousse. Mousse is going to get fluffy. So this is what it looks like, completely glueless. Completely glueless, completely. So yeah, if you do like this wig, y'all can, like, this lace is so good, y'all can see my wig cap through it. That's how good the lace is. So move it down just a little bit so you won't be able to see it. Now it's definitely giving, it's definitely looking like scalp. It's definitely looking like scalp. So yeah, if you like this wig, definitely leave me a comment down below. Yeah, and it's also a 13x4, so check that out as well. And just tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up if y'all like this video. Again, I will leave everything listed down below. This is from BeautyForever. It's from BeautyForever. I will leave everything listed down below. And thank y'all again for watching. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. See y'all in my next video.